Herring Brook. The herring run. You can see some dead herring in the water. There are two branches to the brook here. So we're maybe around 15 miles, 14 miles inland from the ocean here. Hey, hey, I'm Greg. We got Dean.
Hey!
And Chris.
Greetings.
We are on the mighty Herring Brook. Yeah. Attempting to go upstream. So we are doing a scouting mission. Next month we will be doing a 4-day paddling trip on the Wampanoag Canoe Passage, which is an entirely impractical way to get from Massachusetts Bay to Narraganset Bay by a water trail. It's an ancient Native American trail. So we're doing a little scouting today and trying to figure out how far upstream on Herring Brook we can get. So this ought to be interesting. Let's go!
I think we're pretty much there.
Oh yeah, I can float it. Oh yeah, there we go. Are we having fun yet? Woohoo! Yeah, it's a little better. We're going downstream now. This is not a super practical water course to paddle upstream. They trim it so the herring can get through, but they probably trim a lot more above the water as well so that the people trimming it can get through. There's a big spider up there. We are at the boat launch of Oldham Pond, headed to Monument Island. Check that out. It's out there. Monument Island.
Hold on a minute. Pull you up.
There's a goose nest over there. So this is Monument Island. So it's kind of like a crescent moon shape. So we're like right in the middle here. There's more brush on the ends than there is in the middle. It's one of the landings. So Monument Island is owned by the town of Pembroke. I haven't seen anything that says that you can camp here, and I haven't seen anything that says that you can't. Clearly there are plenty of people who do. So, there's that. There's a little hole in the ground. Blueberries.
Something to write. No, that's not. That's not.
Bidding farewell to Monument Island. It also has wild blueberries on it, so that's cool. There's this little landing at the south end of the pond, Oldham Pond, and there's a general store over there, pizza. Over by that fence there's a culvert, and so that will communicate with Furnace Pond. It's kind of tight, but probably be able to get through. Robbins Pond. Time to head down Satucket River. For future reference, the right side is better. Satucket River.
Satucket. Oh, it opens right up. It looks like a pond here. The pond lily's already blooming.
This is Poor Meadow Brook Wildlife Management Area. So we have a permit to camp here in June when we actually do this trip. So this is great. We like it a lot. It's going to work well. Oh, clogged up. Beaver Dam on Poor Meadow Brook, I think. There's a little house. Sorry, geese. They're just coming through.
Got a bunch of babies.
Yeah. I'm staying away. We're just passing through these. We mean to no harm. It's okay. At least I hope it's okay.
Nah.
No.
No.
We can walk it. Hopefully not sink in too far. Yeah. duck blind. Blends in pretty nicely. Definitely portage ahead.
What?
Nasty one too.
A nasty portage.
Yeah.
What if we get up here? Boat was shorter, maybe.
Well, it's not in the middle of a rapid, so the risk level is low. Second one.
Almost there. Is it?
Yep. There's a white Jeep up there.
There is? Does it look like mine?
It's a white Jeep.
I don't want to confuse it with mine.
That was fun. We learned some.
Yeah, Satucket. Beautiful little section here.
Yeah.
Just all the birds and beautiful black water.
It's a lovely bit of river. Nice marsh river. Doesn't go very straight, but it's great.
Yeah.
So I'm looking
Good.
forward to this trip. I think day 2 is going to be pretty tough, as far as we'll have some portaging to do. But I think the 2 campsites we've seen so far were really fabulous. So
Yeah, looking good.
that
It was a
part
good
will
thing
be
we
good.
did scope it out.
yeah.
Definitely.
So we'll be back in June and do the whole 64 miles or whatever it is. 4
What?
days.
64.
Something like that. I don't know.
Yay.
Looking forward to it. See ya.